Welcome to day 1 of your 30-day English journey. I'm Subudi, and by the end of this video, you won't just say hello, you will give a complete, confident introduction. No more ums or airs. Let's build your foundation! The greeting, the name, the location, the passion. Most people get stuck because they think too much. Use this simple formula. The greeting, the name, the location, the passion. Step 1. Don't just say hi. Try good morning everyone or hello, pleasure to meet you. Step 2. My name is or I'm. Step 3. I'm from or I'm based in. Use based in if you want to sound more professional. Step 4. I am a job or I love hobby.
Listen to the difference. Formal, good morning. I'm Subudhi. I'm based in Andhra Pradesh and I am an educator. Informal, hey there, I'm Subudhi. I live in Mentada and I love creating YouTube videos. Now it's your turn. I'm going to leave a silence. You fill in the blanks out loud. Ready? Hello, I am dash. I live in dash and I love dash. Here is a pro tip. Eye contact. Even if your English isn't perfect yet, looking someone in the eye and smiling makes you look 100% more fluent. Practice this in front of a mirror tonight. Day 1. Your homework. Write your 4-sentence introduction in the comments below. I will personally check as many as I can. Hit subscribe and I'll see you tomorrow for day 2, the 50 verbs that will change your life. Let's learn together.